YouTube, back again for another video. Just come to collect some brand new equipment, so let's go and see what it is. So we just picked the new equipment up. Let's get it out. So what we've got here is Camon's brand new Ego powered equipment. Same exact equipment. We've just now got Ego engines on the Scarifier and we've got an Ego engine on the Aerator. With the Scarifier, what we've also got on this is the new quick change system, so you haven't got to take any of the pulleys off. You take these two bolts off, a couple of bolts out there, and then these are now quick change. So for new cassettes, I've got a renovation cassette, fixed blade set, we've got a stay sharp free swinging blade, and we've got the old free swinging blade cassette there, and we've got the verti cutting cassette in the machine at the moment. So let's get this one on. So with these, what Camon have done is you don't turn the engine on down there, you turn that on and then it's controlled via this. So every time you let go of this at the end of the run, you're preserving battery life, which I really like. So now let's get the aerator powered on again, battery in there, and then here's our throttle. Obviously, as soon as I let go of that, it's off. So what we're going to do now you've seen these, I'll just pass you over to John at GroundsFest and he's going to talk through the cassettes and the quick change system.
Right, so we have a new development for early next year with our Scarifiers. The cartridges, we are introducing a quick release system, so much quicker, much easier to change over. So you have your two bolts for the bearing on this side. Once you've undone those, just slide out. So you have a machined end to the shaft and then a machined piece in here. So to refit or fit a new cartridge, slide in, fit in, bolt back up, and away you go. So we've updated some of our cassettes for this autumn. Our renovation cartridge, for those of you who already own one, you'll see there's some differences. We've updated the blade design, which should give longer wear. And we also updated how they are held on the rotor. So they're held on with these rods now rather than a central shaft. Again, should give you longer wear. So really nice design. We have our verticutter rotor, which we released earlier this year. Really popular, great for getting rid of your weed grasses, your lateral growth grasses and thinning out the lawn. And then we're experimenting with some different options on the verticutter. So if you see, this one is the same thin 1mm blades, but not as doesn't have as many blades, so not quite as aggressive. You can go over the lawn a few more times, and we're just trialing that at the moment, waiting more feedback. This is our standard, what we call our standard rotor, with our scarification rotor, 30 blades, swing tip, great for general scarification, removing moss. We have our thicker version, so 3mm thick blades made out of hardox, longer wear, a more aggressive rotor. And then this is our newer designer fixed rotor, again, a little bit like the renovation cartridge, held on the rods for longer wear and a more aggressive blade with a longer rake, again for better wear. And then all of our Scarifier range, aerator and turf gutter are now available as with the Honda petrol engine and now also the Ego electric engine as well.
Thanks for that, John. Glad you all liked watching his bits. Now what we need to do is we need to get these two out on some lawns.